Today I received the Bambu Lab A1 Mini, a compact yet feature-packed FDM 3D printer designed for effortless multicolor printing. In this video, we'll go through the unboxing process, set it up, and test its capabilities to see how well it performs across different printing scenarios. The printer arrives in secure packaging, ensuring all components are well protected with foam inserts and bubble wrap. Inside the box, we receive several essential accessories, including a quick start guide, sample filament spools, a toolkit with necessary tools and spare parts, a flexible build plate, bamboo filament swatches, filament spool holder, AMS unit, and main printer unit. One of the biggest advantages of the A1 Mini is that it comes pre-assembled, significantly reducing the time and effort required for setup. Setting up the printer is incredibly simple and beginner-friendly. All that's required is plugging in the power cable, attaching the automatic material system, AMS, for multicolor printing, and powering the unit on. The touchscreen interface is well-designed and highly responsive, guiding users through the initial setup with clear instructions. Once connected, the A1 Mini performs an automatic self-calibration, which includes bed leveling, vibration compensation, and flow rate tuning. As the printer completes its auto bed leveling process, I'd like to take a moment to thank our sponsor for today's video, Altium 365. If you're looking for software that seamlessly and securely connects everyone involved in electronics development, Altium 365 is the perfect solution. It's the first open electronics hardware development platform, offering a secure and collaborative design environment that supports various ECAD file formats. For students, the Altium Student Lab provides online modular courses to build a solid foundation in PCB design. These hands-on projects teach essential ECAD tool skills, and upon completion, participants receive a PCB design course certificate. To learn more about Altium 365 and its powerful features, check out the link in the description below. The entire process from unboxing to being print-ready takes approximately 10 to 15 minutes, making it one of the most user-friendly setups in the market. Now, let's take a look at some of the key features that set the Bambu Lab A1 Mini apart from other compact 3D printers. This printer is designed with a perfect balance of speed, convenience, and precision, making it ideal for beginners and experienced makers alike. First, the A1 Mini offers a build volume of 180 mm by 180 mm by 180 mm, which is sufficient for small to medium-sized prints. The all-in-one design integrates the AMS with a direct drive extruder, making filament handling smooth and hassle-free. One of its standout features is automatic calibration, including self-leveling of the bed, vibration compensation, and precise flow rate tuning, all of which contribute to excellent print quality right out of the box. Multicolor printing is one of the printer's biggest selling points, as it supports up to 4 different filaments, allowing users to create vibrant, multi-material prints with ease. The A1 Mini is also incredibly fast, reaching print speeds of up to 500 millimeters per second thanks to its Core XY motion system. With the setup complete, it's time to load some filament and test how well the A1 Mini performs. The printer uses RFID tagged filaments, allowing it to automatically detect the material type and adjust settings accordingly. For the first test print, I chose a classic 3D Benchy model using bamboo PLA filament. A1 Mini managed to finish it in just 20 minutes, including calibration time. The print quality was impressive, with sharp details, minimal layer lines, and excellent dimensional accuracy, even at high speeds. To evaluate the capabilities of the A1 Mini, I conducted several test prints, exploring both single-color and multicolor possibilities. The first model I printed was a multicolored Baby Yoda pen holder. The print showcased excellent detailing, with smooth transitions between colors and a well-defined structure. The AMS efficiently handled filament switching. The final product was visually striking and there was minimum layers visible. Next, I printed a multicolored Charmander phone and pen holder. This print tested both the precision of intricate details and the accuracy of color separation. The AMS once again performed flawlessly, executing clean filament transitions. You can see here clearly how printer changes filament between two color transitions. The result was a functional and visually appealing desk accessory that stood out in terms of both design and usability. To further explore printing, I printed a dinosaur egg model using multicolor filament to enhance its textured details. The print successfully captured a rich depth of color and high quality of printing output. For a single color print test, I chose an aesthetic vase using black PLA filament. The smooth and polished finish of the vase was exceptional, with no visible layer lines or imperfections. This demonstrated the A1 Mini's precision when working with monochrome prints, producing a professional-looking final product suitable for home decor. Moving on to a more detailed and intricate print, I created a Japanese warrior showpiece. This model required high precision to accurately depict the fine elements. The A1 Mini handled the challenge remarkably well, capturing every minute detail with sharp clarity. The structural integrity of the model was solid, with no signs of print failure, reinforcing the printer's reliability for highly detailed projects. Lastly, I experimented with Flexible Panda model in a unique combination of dark gray and marble filament. This was a test of both material compatibility and flexible filament adhesion. The AMS effectively managed the dual filament print, ensuring a seamless blending of colors without excessive waste or defects. After using the Bambu Lab A1 Mini extensively for a few weeks, I can confidently say that it is one of the best beginner-friendly multicolor 3D printers available today. The ease of setup, high-speed printing, and outstanding print quality make it an excellent choice for hobbyists, students, and even professionals looking for a reliable, compact 3D printer. The AMS system is a game-changer, making multicolor printing effortless, and the AI-powered features enhance reliability by minimizing failed prints. While the A1 Mini may not have the large build volume of higher-end models like the X1 Carbon, it is still a fantastic investment for those seeking an efficient and high-quality 3D printing experience. The affordability compared to other multicolor printers makes it even more appealing. If you're looking to purchase this printer, you can find the link in the description. I'll be using the A1 Mini for many of my upcoming projects, so be sure to subscribe to my channel for more exciting content. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next one.